Imagine getting a chance to become CEO, and that too only for 1 week. That's exactly what PGDM select students of Krupandhi School of Management got to experience in their 1 week of CEO challenge. They researched about startups, reached out to them and convinced them to allow a 1 week of real hands-on experience, and guess what? All the students made it happen. Each student chose companies that match their specialization. For that 1 week, they weren't just students anymore. They became leaders. They managed operations, built strategies, engaged with customers, handled HR tasks, and even explored financial planning. Every day, they submitted reports, shared updates with mentors, and even had a feedback calls and surprise visits. By the end of this challenge, each student walked away with much more than just a certificate. They had stories of challenges they faced, strategies they created, and the skills they built. Most importantly, they got a glimpse of what it really feels like to think and act like a CEO. The 1 week of CEO challenge turned experience into a lifetime of learning. And this is just one of the many ways Sunstone prepared their students, not with just theories, but real-world opportunities that help them to shape into tomorrow's leaders. This is education that works. This is Sunstone.